this? Let's go in the house. It's getting dark. It's gonna rain. It's starting to sprinkle right now. Come on. Get a husky, they said. Yeah. Their fur is so thick, they do not feel the rain. It doesn't touch them. Misha, the female, when she was a puppy, she would literally come out here and lay her little head into a puddle like that. Yeah, see, it's raining. And she didn't even feel it. I'd have to carry her inside and give her a bath because she didn't even know she was laying in a puddle. Come on! Come in the house! They ain't coming in. Damn it. Look at them just cheesing at me. Just grinning. Oh, big stretch. Ain't coming.